Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and we got just one economic news release scheduled for today, and that is the weekly jobless claims. Now, this has a little bit of importance, primarily because it's the last jobless claim report before the Fed meeting next week, the FOMC. And the report last week, remember, came in under at 330, so actually it was good news last week at 323. And the forecast for this week was going to come in where it's been typically in the 330 range, and the forecast for this week is at 330. Now it came in at 292, which surprised everybody, and actually the markets really rejoiced early. And then some data came out that two states had upgraded their computers, and that the numbers are skewed. So that's why you see an asterisk. But otherwise, that would have been the lowest number we've seen in like 6 years. This number here. So they got really excited very early, but then found out that these numbers, this data is actually kind of bogus, as two states' computers, I guess, were upgraded and kind of skewed the numbers. So let's jump over the headline news. And right now, stock market's down. There's two things that's kind of affecting the stock market as well as the overall market. We got next week at the FOMC meeting, they're kind of contemplating the Fed moves, what they're going to be contemplating. They're kind of hedging their bets that there might be some tapering this month. So looks like the bond prices are starting to be, as we've seen the bond prices come down quite a bit. So now they're kind of pricing in that move. And then also John Kerry went over to Switzerland to discuss with the foreign minister over at Russia to talk a little bit further regards to the chemical weapons and having them disbanded over there. So at least get some status updates on there. So they're kind of looking at those two, and that's what's kind of what's affecting the markets so far this morning. So let's jump over to see how the bond market's faring. And the bond market actually is doing much better today. We had improvement of about 25 basis points, and currently we're down about 3. So right now we're up about 22 basis points, which provides us better pricing so far this morning. Now we're kind of hovering the 10-day moving average, as I had mentioned. You could see some very strange numbers or strange occurrences over the next couple of days up until after the Fed moves, FOMC meeting, as to the kind of, the investors may be pulling out money on both markets. So we could see that coming up ahead until the Fed, makes their announcement on Wednesday. So that's something to kind of keep an eye open for. All right, folks. So right now we did get a little bit of improvement in the interest rates today, which is obviously good news. So tomorrow will be the big ones. We got the retail sales. We got consumer sentiment tomorrow. The PPI, which is the inflation numbers for wholesale level. So prepared. I'll hopefully see you guys tomorrow. And thanks for watching.